Hello guys, welcome to my video. And this video I want to short story. I want to storytelling about short story about Sam Blue Car. Okay, one day he had a blue car. He loved his blue car. It was dark blue. It had 4 doors. It was not a new car, it was an old car, but it had new tires. It had new black tires. All 4 tires were new. He felt safe with his new tires. The would not blow out. He could drive everywhere with his new tires. His car was dirty. He needed to wash it. The windows were dirty. The doors were dirty. The hood was dirty. The trunk was dirty. The bumpers were dirty. The tires weren't dirty. They were new tires. They were black and shiny. They looked good. He did not have to wash his tires, but he did have to wash his car. He put water into a bucket. He put a sponge into the bucket. He washed his car with the sponge. He dried his car with a towel, and his car was shiny blue now. It looked like new, and then now his old car was as shiny as his new tires. And then the next short story is it's a windy day. I'm sorry. It's a windy day. The wind is blowing hard. Pepper is blowing everywhere. The wind blew the man's head off. It blew the woman's head off. It blew a bird off the telephone wire. The other bird along with. The wind keeps blowing. The trees are bending over. The people outside are bending over. The wind makes it hard to walk. The wind makes it hard to drive. The big trucks have to pull over. They have to stop on the side of the freeway. One driver did not stop. He was in a hurry. The wind blew his truck over. The big truck is on its side. The wheels are spinning in the wind. The driver was not hurt, but is waiting for a crane. The crane will pick up the truck. The crane will put the truck on its wheels again. The driver learned his lesson. He will never drive in the wind again. The wind makes it hard to fly, to pilot. Now the wind is dangerous. They do not fly their small plane in windy weather. They do not want to crash into the ground. A crash will kill them. They sit at the airport. They drink coffee. They wait for the wind to die down. And then that's all for my video. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next short story. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.